I am Neil Persley in Maple Grove, where Richard Baugh has assembled a group of volunteers to lend a helping hand.
We're doing a socially acceptable distance, 6 foot away from each other, packing event to pack 100 personal care kits for the homeless. We've got some lunches that we packed actually a few days ago, so we're going to distribute those tomorrow night. And then we're probably going to pack lunches again, I think, next week.
Why?
You know, the why, there's always a reason, right? I mean, we always have poor among us, and so we've got plenty of people in our community that have needs. But particularly right now, it's acute because there's fewer volunteers to step in the gap for people. And so we're just attempting to do it in an appropriate way, in a safe way, but yet still continue to love our neighbors.
Is this a one-time only, or are you going to do this every week?
Well, we've been doing this earlier. We've been packing lunches before, but we kind of had a bit of a build-up for this because, you know, we had to acquire all the items to get ready to pack the kits because there's like 16 items in each of the kits. So it took us a few weeks to kind of get everything all assembled before we could pull this off.
And then when and where will the kits be distributed?
So I'll distribute these myself in my various stops that I make. I do some work with homeless ministry, so I'll make some stops over the course of this week, and they'll all be gone by the weekend.
How can somebody help?
Mostly what you can do is just step in the gap, and you can pack lunches, you can pack sandwiches, you can pack personal care kits, and actually you can reach out to me and I can distribute about anything that you can get your hands on.
What better thing to do on a beautiful early April evening than come out and serve your fellow man? In Maple Grove, Neil Persley, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.